Kia Sportage QL, front door outside handle replacement. 1. Remove the plug hole cap, B, and then loosen the bolt and remove the door lock assembly, A. 2. Remove the front door outside handle, A, by sliding it rearward. 3. Disconnect the front door outside handle connector, A. 4. Install in the reverse order of removal. Installation notes. Make sure that the connector is connected properly. Make sure that the door locks, unlocks and opens, closes properly. Front door latch replacement. 1. Remove the front door module. Refer to front door module. 2. Remove the front door retainer, A. 3. Separate the handle base and then remove the base support bracket, A. 4. Disconnect the cable, A, and then remove the handle base, B. 5. Install in the reverse order of removal. Installation notes. Make sure the connector is connected properly. Make sure the door locks, unlocks and opens, closes properly. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.